Okay, so today I'm going to show you 4 top drone accessories that I think that you will like and that I think I'm going to start using starting today. Stick around because we'll be right back. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick review on these products here that have been provided by Cynova. Cynova considered on sending this to us to do a review. Now, we'd like to thank Cynova for sending this over to us and sharing this with all you. Now, I personally looked at these and I did go through it thoroughly, and I seriously think that these are really good products for your drone accessories. Now, these products are made for your typical DJI drones. It fits the DJI controller, not the smart controller, but this is the tablet holder here. This is by Cynova. We're going to open this up and we're going to review it, and then we're going to do the lanyard as well. And then we got the landing pad here, and we got the sunshade provided by Cynova. I know there's a lot of drone accessory out there, and personally, after looking over these, I truly think that these are really in the high bracket. The product is premium, and I think I'm gonna start flying Cynova accessories from now on. I'm gonna start buying their accessories. So that's what we're gonna do. I really like it. This company is based out of Shenzhen, China, and so I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start using them, and I appreciate that they considered us doing the review for them. So let's get to it. Okay, here we have it. Here is the controller mount. This is for the DJI remote, and we're going to show you how to properly install this. Now I want to show you this up close. Now this is what we have here from Sonova. You can easily see this is really premium, like I said. So we're going to show you how to properly install this onto your controller. So let's jump right into it. Let's grab this controller. You want to lift this up first like this, and what you want to do is there's a latch here. These came unlatched. Okay, so you want to open that up, and you just want to go this way here. Okay, you want to go like so. Place it like that. Let me make sure this is up, and you just want to latch it back here. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that these go into here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull front, and then same thing with that one. And you'll hear a snap. See that? You hear a snap. So they're in. You're good to go. So I really like this. This is very nice by Cynova. As you can see, it's like perfect fit for the controller for any type of your DJI drones, except for the regular mini and the DJI Mavic 3 does have this controller as well. So you can use this for your Mavic 3. You can use this for your Air 2S, your Air 2, and your Mini 2. So I don't know if the Mini 3 will come out with the same controller, but we'll see. But if it does, then we'll be able to use this mount. So very nice mount, and you'll see that we can put you can also put a phone here. You can place your phone here, and then you can place your tablet here. We have the cell phone here, just any ordinary cell phone that I grabbed, was laying around from a long time ago. You can see, as you can see, you need a bigger cell phone for this, if you want to fit this way, longer version. But they have these latches now. You can use these latches by simply, you have these latches, you want to simply pull these out, just like so, and you just put your cell phone up here. So just press this button up like this, and you just put your cell phone here like that. So you can do it like this. If you want to add something else here, another device if you want, just to keep track of your phone calls. It's a pretty cool feature. So there you go. There's the mount for the Cynova DJI controller. And if you're interested, the link will be down below. So now let's just jump into number 2. Okay, so here's the lanyard by Sonova. Very high quality lanyard. As you can see, they got their logo right on the bottom there by the clips. You can see it's premium cloth. I like the stitching, very well stitched. Real leather. This is real leather. And this has got some padding in it. It's really good for your neck when you put it around your neck. They really thought about the consumer on this, so really nice quality and everything else. So yeah, and they got the latches here, and then you get the latches here as well. You got 2 of them. Now this will fit your RC Pro, your DJI RC Pro controller that everyone has on the Mavic. On the Mavic 3, and you also can put on the regular smart controller as well. These 2 latch right at the ends of the bottom of the RC controller. So I'm going to make an example here. I have the regular controller. If you do buy this mount right here, you'll see in the back of it, right here, you got 2 slots here. You can put these in here, and you can add these as your lanyard. You can hang this right off your neck. So there you go. Very nice. It's perfect. Now if you want to use this for FPV, you can. A lanyard is a lanyard. I think it'll work for FPV as well. But I think I'm gonna start using this because this is very comfortable around my neck. It doesn't bother me. So yeah, so they really thought about the consumer on this. Now Sonova is a company out of Shenzhen, China, where all the DJI products are made, and the drones and all the tech is there. So yeah, they have provided this for us, and the link will be down in the description below as well. So all right, so number 3. Okay, here we have it. Here's the Sunshade by Sonova. This is for your smartphone, and it fits a 7-inch tablet. We're gonna put this on the controller. Easy process. What you want to do is all you do is you flip this way. As you can see, there's latches right here, and you just want to put these into the so they're clips. And then you can flip this down if you want, or you can flip it up. And here is where the antenna of the standard controller will go through. So what you want to do is all you do is you put one end first, snap on. See that there's these little holes here, and they made the holes to fit that right there towards the sides. And they made a mold where it'll fit into that hole. So they'll just snap in there. So just move it down here to the side like this, and all you gotta do is press down. Put that up. There you go. So it's in, as you can see, it's in there, ain't going nowhere. I like how they made this. And then if you want to pull it out to put your smartphone in there, all you do is lift it, put your cell phone in there, and you're good to go. So yeah, this is it. That's the Sunshade for your standard controller. So there you go. Yeah. So let's jump into number 4. The landing pad. and it's really nice. As you can see, it's got the Sonova logo on it. It's matte finish, it's waterproof, and you got two different colors. They even got the orange, and you got the gray part, waterproof, so very nice. So there you have it, guys. Those are my 4 top accessories for your Mavic 3, Air 2S, Air 2, and Mini 2. Now, remember, Sonova deals only with DJI products because they're out of Shenzhen. Now, if you're interested in purchasing any of these accessories, I will have the link down in the description below. And while you're down there, if you're considering subscribing, please do so. And make sure you hit the bell icon and leave a like and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys use, what type of accessories you use, what company, what brand, and what you like. So there you have it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Go out and fly, have fun. And with that said, happy flying, fly safe, and we'll see you in the next one.